Hello everyone, in this video we have been given 1 divided by 100,000 whole to the power 2x equal x. Now we are going to find the value of 100x. Answer: 1 divided by 100,000 whole to the power 2x equal x. Then 1 divided by 100,000 to the power 2x equal x. Then 100,000 to the power 2x equal 1 divided by x. Taking 1 divided by x power to the both sides, then we get 100,000 to the power 2x whole to the power 1 divided by x equal 1 divided by x whole to the power 1 divided by x. Then 100,000 to the power 2x into 1 divided by x equal 1 divided by x whole to the power 1 divided by x. X cancel. Then 100,000 to the power 2 equal 1 divided by x whole to the power 1 divided by x. 100,000 equal 10 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 equal 1 divided by x whole to the power 1 divided by x. Then 10 to the power 5 into 2 equal 1 divided by x whole to the power 1 divided by x. Then 10 to the power 10 equal 1 divided by x whole to the power 1 divided by x. Then 1 divided by x equal 10. Then x equal 1 divided by 10. 100x equal 100 into 1 divided by 10, then equal 10. Then 100x equal 10. Thus our answer x equal 10.